Good afternoon. Today, PI Varna has received an information around 11:30 that there was a case of student death which was reported from Pilani. Now, the case is of a PhD scholar who was staying outside the campus in a PG. The preliminary finding is that it is a case of suicide, and police investigation is currently undergoing. And we will be able to give detailed information after the police investigation and post-mortem reports are received. Now, this is the second incident which was reported this year. Last year we had unfortunately 4 similar incidents of student suicide. Now, district level committee, the police team, the state level committee and national level committees have visited the Pilani campus because of the frequent cases of student death which was reported there. Now, in all the committees during the investigation, the main finding is that there is a case of suicide contagion or cluster effect which is happening. Now, by suicide contagion, what is meant is that basically when there are repeated incidents of student suicide, the at-risk people or vulnerable people tend to imitate and they commit suicide when there is an emotional stressful situation. Now, this is what has been the major finding in all the investigation, and we have conducted a detailed investigation into the frequent student suicides in the Pilani campus, and we have submitted a report to the government also in the month of February this year. Now, based on the all investigations and committee sittings and meetings, whatever recommendations we have also submitted to Pilani. One of the major findings was that they were not having adequate number of mental health care facility or professionals in their campus. But however, after the repeated intervention from the government side, they have augmented their facility. Now they have adequate number of manpower. Also, they are providing 24/7 mental health care facilities also in the campus, in-house as well as outside. Also, they have reduced the number of examinations by increasing the electives and making certain papers optional. So academic pressure also they are trying to reduce it, and they have submitted compliance report to the government also. However, unfortunately, despite all the efforts, still cases are being reported. Now, apart from the interventions from the side of the academy or institution, government was also conducting various camps. DHS has conducted a health camp. Similarly, associate professor from IPHB has conducted a talk on stress management and emotional management. So a lot of initiatives are being undertaken by various authorities, including the institution as well as the government, by tying up with the NGO. Now, the committee which has inspected the campus has a representative from the administration side, from the higher education, technical education, also from the healthcare facility, then NGO professionals also who are involved in dealing with this matter. So basically all of their finding is coming to the suicide contagion, wherein repeated exposure to suicide related incidents may increase the vulnerability among the at-risk people. So we urge from the district administration side, when in our communication and in our discourse, we should handle the matter with more sensibility and more sensitivity and responsibility, so that at-risk category people or vulnerable people are not forced into more difficult situation. Anyway, the committee will further visit the campus and we will look into the matter in detail. Similarly, police will also look into the matter. They will investigate, and after post-mortem report and other reports are received, we will be giving a detailed press briefing or information regarding the matter.